My name is Ken Miura. I am with the National Institute of Informatics in Tokyo, and I am directing the grid-related projects in Japan. More specifically, I was the director of the Naregi project from 2003 to 2008, and now we are in the process of deploying the grid middleware to supercomputer centers and the research institutes across Japan, and also talking to some collaboration internationally. The concept of cyber science infrastructure started about 5 years ago at the National Institute of Informatics. It is more like a vertical integrated service of IT services over the network. National Institute of Informatics itself manages the academic network, backbone network in Japan called the SciNet3. So grid middleware is expected to be run on SciNet3 and all the connected institutions. So that's underway, and there are many university computing centers which are involved in this effort. Not just NII, but it's a joint effort with university supercomputer centers and other research organizations. Since the beginning of this Naregi project, we have been very keen on international collaboration and taking the international standards into our grid middleware. So we have been talking to the US projects and European projects and some of the Asian projects as well. At this time, we have been conducting interoperability experiments or tests with EGEE and also to other grids. Discussions are underway. The research activities in general, scientific research activities in particular, are becoming more and more globally coordinated. Big experiments or in high energy physics or astronomical observation all take the sort of geographically distributed database, and we have to, the grid infrastructure will be more important in the future research activities, and that's what we hope that our grid middleware will be useful in that area. This next generation supercomputer 10 petaflop performance will be completed in 2012, and we hope that the network infrastructure will be connected to this machine so that the researchers across Japan can have access to this 10 petaflop machine when it's completed. Of course, it's the largest in Japan, and hopefully one of the top machines in the world. That means, well, we expect that in 2-year time period, somewhere between 10 and 20 petaflop machines will be operational in the world, one of which we hope is the Japanese system.